Hi, Jason from Metro Electronics. Today we're going to be going over the 5 top reasons why Axxess DSP interface solutions can help you in the install bay with our simple, quick, easy solution for adding in aftermarket equipment. So stay tuned. Reason number 1, wide range of coverage. We have a wide range of applications that are covered under our AX DSP product line. These are just a few that I have set out in front of me, from Hyundai with the SPDIF types of communication. I've got Ford with the A to B. I've got Most 25, which is a lot of the European cars. And of course, we've got the GM Ethernet solutions. This is just a fraction of the product and applications that we have available. And I can guarantee that if you look on our Axxess website, you're going to find a solution that fits your needs. Reason number 2, amplifier bypass harnesses included. So not only is it interfacing into these factory high-end systems, but it's also using the existing factory wiring from the factory so that you can power those aftermarket speakers. In order to do that, we include amp bypass harnesses with many of our AX DSP products. Reason number 3, plug and play. Here at Metro, we take the term plug and play very seriously. So we go out and we source all OE style connectors and OE style terminals. And this takes away a lot of the guesswork that you as installers have to have sometimes in the bay. By simply plugging everything in and using these factory styles connections, it makes the job just that much easier. Reason number 4, a simple setup. With the simple setup using the AX DSP XL app, it's free on Android and Apple stores. You can easily go into the DSP, connect via Bluetooth, select your year, make, and model vehicle, and you can even do some more advanced controls like going in and adjusting our 31 band graphic EQ. We have 10 outputs. Each band has 31 bands of equalization available. Full crossover adjustments, time delay. You can get as detailed as you want within the app. And if you're not very familiar with how to use all that type of adjust those settings, you don't have to. You can set everything for flat and you can plug it directly into your aftermarket amplifiers and let it go out the door. Again, it's a simple, easy solution with that advanced control if you desire. And reason number 5, it's an all-in-one solution. Having an all-in-one solution in your shops in today's day and age is hands down something that every shop owner, every installer is looking for. And that's really what the Axxess DSP product line does for you as shop owners and you as installers. So it's versatile, meaning that if you're using it just as an interface to make sure that you can properly interface with that vehicle's communication type to give you RCA outputs to go into any aftermarket DSP you want, aftermarket amplifier, it just makes the job easy. If you want a little bit more advanced control, you can always go deeper into the DSP app and you can make those advanced settings using an RTA or an oscilloscope, having that time delay. And I would say the most important thing and the most value that this product offers overall, especially when we're talking about GM vehicles, is the ability to control chime levels, and in some of the newer vehicles, the turn signal clicks, because all those are generated from the factory amplifier. If you remove that from the system, you've lost it. The AX DSP XL product is designed to work in your vehicles and retain those chimes. So there you go. There's 5 amazing reasons why the Axxess DSP product is the right product for you. If you'd like some more information, you can go on to metroonline.com, look up the AX-DSPX product line, and you're going to find the installation application that you're looking for. Thank you.